Whoa! Take off! First base! Second base! Third base! And home! Slide! Oh, it's my turn? Okay, here. I'll stand on the base. Let me see the bat. You gonna throw me the ball? Okay. Alright.
Tag him out! Get Daddy! Tag him! Tag him out!
Oh no!
We got the ball! Get him! You're out of here! You're out!
That was a bogus call, ref. That was a bogus call, huh?
Judge says, out.
Underneath it. Oh, we lost that base. Alright, you ready? You gotta come up here so you can throw that. Okay.
Go, Carter, get the ball and tag Daddy! Get the ball and tag him! Tag him!
Oh, look!
Daddy, slow down! Okay, Carter, get him! Tag him! Get him out! You're out of here! Does Carter want to hit this time? Alright, go! Go! Get the ball and tag him! Okay.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Oh!
He's out. Alright, is it Daddy's turn to throw? And Carter's turn to hit the ball? Alright, Carter's turn to hit the ball.
Whoa!
Carter's turn to hit the ball.
Strike.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, so one more time. I missed.
Oh, get the ball. I love Carter's rules. Go. Seventh base? That's third base. Home.
Oh. You want to hit that one? Okay. Oh, you want to hit that? You want to hit the big one? Carter needs to be handicapped. He's got the hand-eye coordination thing still developing. Ready? Here we go. Whoa, apparently he needs the bigger one.
I need a big one.
Okay, we're going to go to this ball. I think Carter can hit this.
Alright, keep your eye on the ball.
Ready? Here goes.
Oh, go Carter, run the base, run!
I'm going to tag you.
Go Carter, hurry!
I'm going to tag you.
Alright, you made a home run.
Do it again?
Look, that big one.
Carter, did you just get a home run?
Yeah?
Yes, you did.
All right. Here it comes. Whoa.
Oh well.
Strike one. Here goes.
Oh, go, you hit it. It's a foul ball, but we'll take it. Go, hurry. No, you forgot third base. You forgot third base, Carter.
What's for this?
Right there. All right, first, second, third,